Hello, my name is Elgin Mayfield, and it is my pleasure to serve as the Assistant Superintendent of Teaching and Learning for the Houston County School District. And today I'm very excited to talk to you about a brand new program we are offering in the Houston County School District called the Houston Accelerated Scholars Program. We are going to begin today by talking about what is the Houston Accelerated Scholars Program. We're going to discuss the logistical plan for the future, the benefits of the Houston Accelerated Scholars Program, and we're going to meet the math instructor, Mr. Brock, and the science instructor, Mr. Fitzgerald, as well as discuss our next steps and timeline. So exactly what is the Houston Accelerated Scholars Program, or HASP? Well, this is a program designed for students who are interested in hyper advanced math and science classes. It is designed for that top echelon of student performers, and it's designed for those who might have an elite college interest. Maybe you're a student interested in MIT, maybe you're a student interested in Caltech, maybe you're a student interested in an Ivy League school or a school very rarely attended by one of our students. These courses could help you to be an excellent candidate for one of those type classes. And to begin, we're going to talk about the math classes. And to do so, I'm going to turn it over to our 612 math coordinator, Dr. Cassie Wright.
Hi, everyone. I am here to talk about the math program and to let you know that there are actually two targeted audiences that we're interested in. The first is mostly kids who are entering into the 10th grade. We do have a handful of 9th graders that actually qualify for this as well. And what that is the 24-25 AP Pre-Calculus Enhanced Advanced Algebra class. This class is basically a class for students who have finished geometry. Most of them have finished honors geometry, and they have enough time in their schedule before graduation to get more classes in mathematics under their belt. The students who finish honors geometry will go ahead and take a class that is actually two classes woven together, and that is advanced algebra and pre-calculus. That would normally have taken students 2 years to acquire, but they will finish it. The students who complete the enhanced advanced program will finish it in a single year. This will give them access to the advanced math and access quicker. The AP Pre-Calculus is an AP level class, so this course is one that gives them plus 5 points for that. The other one is honors class, so that's plus 3. It allows them to have to sit through less repetition. That gives them 2 credits per math within a single year. It does take 2 class periods to do this, to go to the Career Academy. The commitment, however, is for the full year, so you will sign a contract very similarly to how you would sign a contract for any AP course. The other set of students that we're interested in is students who are mostly about to enter their 12th grade year. There are some 11th graders that are at this point too. It's students who have finished pre-calculus already and who at all of your schools had to choose between AB calculus and BC calculus. This actually will allow the students to take both AB and BC calculus within a single year. And then interspersed within that, they will also have an honors history of math course. So students who enter into the AP Calculus ABBC track will actually have 3 total credits for these 2 class periods that they get. AB and BC are both considered AP courses, so those will be plus 5 points to their grades. Honors History of Math is honors, that's plus 3. Honors History of Math is considered a math elective, but it's just a bonus honors course that would be interspersed between the other 2. Students will take the BC assessment, the APBC assessment at the end of the school year in May for an AP score, and so that score will have a sub score for AB. So they'll actually have a score for both AB and BC at the conclusion of the year as well. This also is a commitment for the full year, the same as any AP course would be. So for math, this is the goal progression for the students who enter the enhanced advanced part of this. They took honors geometry for the most part in 9th grade. In 10th grade, they'll get 2 more credits, one for honors advanced algebra, one for AP pre-calculus. In 11th grade, they'll actually get 3 math credits, one for AP Calculus AB, one for AP Calculus BC, and one for History of Math. And then in their 12th grade year, they will have these college level classes, multivariable calculus and linear algebra. So that's the ultimate goal. At the end of high school, students who participate in HASP will actually have 8 math credits before they graduate. At this point, I want to pass this over to Dr. Nicole Page, who is our science coordinator for grades 6 through 12 in Houston County, to talk about physics.
Hi, everyone. So next year, we're going to offer AP Physics 1 and 2 as a combo course, very similar to some of the math courses. This is going to be accelerated physics content. In first semester, you will take AP Physics 1, and then in second semester, you will take AP Physics 2. And you'll have the option to take both exams in the spring to get credit for both courses, possibly in college, depending on your score. As far as high school credits are concerned, you'll receive 2 credits for this year of courses. It is a full year commitment, just as the math courses are, so you will have to sign a contract saying that you understand that it is a full year commitment. And you do not have to be in the math courses to take these AP Physics courses. You do have to meet the math requirements, which is what you can see there on the screen. For the rising 11th graders, you would have taken advanced algebra previously, so you meet the math requirement for AP Physics 1. And you'll probably be enrolled in a pre-calculus course during your 11th grade year, so that would allow you to meet the AP Physics 2 requirement. If you are a rising 11th grader taking AP Physics 1 and 2 as a senior, there will be some additional options for you your senior year. You could take AP Physics C. There's 2 of those. Or depending on our staffing that we have available, we're looking to offer advanced physics principles and robotics coupled with environmental physics. And those courses you would have the option to take your senior year. If you're a rising senior, you will only be able to take the AP Physics 1 and 2 this coming school year, which is still a great option, allowing you to get 2 physics courses under your belt before you graduate.
Thank you so much to both our coordinators for all of their work to get these courses set up. So let's begin to talk about logistics of how this works. Well, first thing you need to know is that it does require 2 class periods per course because each course is taught in a block style. That means that they're 90 minutes long each, so it takes 2 class periods to do one of the courses. You will have to travel to the Houston College and Career Academy. We will provide buses from each of the high schools to and from the College and Career Academy daily. And it has been stated a few times, this is a full year commitment. The benefits of being a member of the Houston Accelerated Scholars Program: first of all, it is plus 3 points for every honors class and plus 5 points for every AP class, and only classes that are honors or AP will be offered through the Houston Accelerated Scholars Program. You will receive additional core credits and possibly college credit depending on performance on AP exams. And this does give you improved college admission chances for those highly selective schools, and of course scholarship opportunities for any school. And allows you to learn and be challenged at levels that are a closer match to your gifts as students. So let's go ahead and meet the instructors. We're going to begin by meeting Mr. Brock, the math instructor.
My name is James Brock, and I am extremely excited to be the teacher for this class. I have taught advanced math at the college level while at Auburn. I have a master's degree in applied mathematics, which means that I have a pretty deep understanding of advanced calculus and have taught advanced calculus beyond high school level. And I've spent the last 10 years teaching BC calculus, and my students have consistently exceeded the state and national averages on those scores. My goal is that every student makes 5. We're getting closer. And I have a very good ability to break the math down, make it interesting, and get you a deep intuitive knowledge so that you will be ready for this advanced math classes, when you decide to be an engineer or a doctor or whatever track you decide, I'm going to turn it over to our excellent AP Physics teacher, Mr. Fitzgerald.
Hi. Thank you very much. It's good to be with you all today. And as the physics viewpoint is concerned, I'm passionate about making sure that when you get to college that you are prepared as anybody else in the room. Physics can be a hurdle that keeps many from reaching their goals educationally. I want to make sure that hurdle is made as small as possible when you enter college, and that you can fly through those first physics courses and then pursue whatever major you would like to at that point. I've been at Houston County High School for more than 20 years. I've taught AP Physics 1 since it started in 2015. I've been an AP grader for 4 years, and I have had an opportunity to do AP Physics 2 for 1 year, and then independent study with some students beyond that. What I am excited about is just seeing students learn about the world around us. It's fun to learn. Our program will be very accelerated. You'll have to work daily. There won't be any time off, but we can still have fun while we learn at the same time. It's just so much fun to see the world around us and how it works. So looking forward to being with you. Always in awe of the potential of the students that I come in contact with. It's very exciting to have this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Mr. Brock and Mr. Fitzgerald. We appreciate what you are going to bring to the Houston Accelerated Scholars Program and to our young academic students who will be taking your classes. Moving forward, we need to discuss next steps. So, first thing you need to do is consider the following. What 2 periods can you go? Now, if you're taking a math course, of course, you would drop a math course in an elective. And if you're taking the physics course, you would drop a science course in an elective. So you need to think about which period works for you. First and second period to go to first block, third and fourth period to go to second block, or sixth and seventh period to go to third block. Be thinking about what elective you can give up. We're going to ask you what is your first choice of an elective to lose and your second choice of an elective to lose, and also what elective you absolutely cannot give up, and any other scheduling concerns that you have. We've provided you a QR code and a hyperlink to the application, and you're going to need to fill out that application no later than July 3rd, 2024 to be considered. So let's discuss very quickly the timeline. So the presentation and application are now posted on the website. On June 27th, we're going to have a Zoom meeting at 5 p.m. for questions and answers, and the link to that Zoom is posted on the website as well. On July 3rd, we have a deadline for students to apply, and sometime in mid-July, you will receive a notification regarding your program acceptance. Now, as you hear this presentation, if you have a question right now, you may contact your school principal. They have been fully briefed on this program, and they are aware that you may call and ask questions. And with that being said, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation. We hope that you will consider participation in the Houston Accelerated Scholars Program, because we know this program will be of benefit to our most elite learners. Thank you so very much, and have a wonderful day.